Hello guys, in this video we are going to interface LCD 16x2. The component used are 16x2, Arduino, zero PCB. Now start with coding. First we include the library liquid crystal for LCD and give some variable name like LCD and assign the pin numbers 765432 for LCD pin. Initiate the LCD.begin 16,2, LCD.set cursor for cursor position and LCD.print for what we are going to print. Save the file. Run, compile and upload the file. Make some delay for display difference. We are going to solder how the LCD pins are soldered. These are the pins here: ground, VCC, RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, D7. Make the connection. These are the connections for LCD 16x2. We are going to fix the connections. You can make it by yourself. These are the connections pin we are going to use in soldering for input and for display. These are the display connections pins here where LCD is going to mount. Now connect the Arduino with LCD. I already programmed this. The connections are shown on the display. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share to your friends and family. Thank you.